Congratulations. Let's put her in the middle. Awesome. Squeeze in, squeeze in. So you guys need to squeeze in. Some have to go on this side. What's a breakup advice?
Breakup advice?
Yeah.
Band-Aid, rip it off.
1, 2, and 3. Congratulations. 1, 2, and 3. Congratulations. 3. Chloe. No, Chloe. What's an advice you have?
Huh?
Advice for breakups.
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. So if you're nominated for Student of the Week, we'll announce that in 3 minutes. 1, 2, and 3. Congratulations. Can I just get you two? Look here, guys. And in 1, 2, and 3. What's a breakup advice?
Be efficient and drink water.